Good morning everybody. So today we will start the exercise 12.1. Yesterday I gave introduction about algebraic expression. Now look at the exercise 12.1. First question is, get the algebraic expressions in the following cases using variables, constants and arithmetic operation. What is meant by variable? The variable is a quantity that may change according to the different values, and then constant means the value does not change. Arithmetic operations means plus, minus or multiplication or division sign. Yes, the first question is subtraction of z from y. Subtraction of z from y. What is the answer? Tell me. Subtraction of z from y. From where? From y. Then it is y minus z. They asked us to subtract z from y. Am I right here? Subtract z from y. Are you getting or not? Yes. So you cannot write like z minus y because that commutative property is not satisfied under subtraction of two integers or rational numbers or whole numbers. Am I right? So z minus y is not the correct answer. The required answer is what? Y minus z. Y minus z. And then second part of the question is 1/2 of the sum of numbers x and y. 1/2 of the sum of numbers, 1/2 of the sum of numbers x and y. What is the sum of numbers x and y means what? X and y are the two numbers and just we are adding them, x plus y. Then what is that 1/2 of? That is 1/2. Half means what? Nothing but multiply, then sum of the numbers x and y, that is x plus y, that is 1/2 of x plus y, which is the required answer. Are you getting there? Yes. Then third part is the number z multiplied by itself. The number z multiplied by itself. Multiplied by itself. The number z multiplied by itself. Here the number is, let the number be z, it is given. So therefore that number is multiplied by itself. That given number is what? Z. That is z into z is z square. For example, 2 into 2 is what? Nothing but 2 to the power 2, which is equal to 4. Am I right? If a number is multiplied by itself means what? Z into z, that is z square. That is what? Z square. Are you getting there? Yes. Look at the fourth part of the first question. It is given that 1/4 of the product of numbers p and q. 1/4 of the product of 1/4 of the product of numbers p and q. P and q. So 1/4 means what, dear? 1/4. Half is nothing but into the product of numbers p and q, that is p into q, that is 1/4 into pq, that is 1/4 into pq is what? Pq, that is any number is multiplied by 1 or 1 is multiplied with any number, you will get the same number. It is nothing but pq by 4 then. Pq by 4 then. Then fifth part of the question is numbers x and y both squared and added. Number x and y, numbers x and y both squared and added. So how will you write the expression? What are the two numbers? X and y. They asked us to square that number. That is nothing but x square and then y square and also you have to added both the square number, that is x square plus y square, x square plus y square. Then come to the next part of the question, that is sixth part of this question is number 5 added to 3 times the product of numbers m and n. The product of numbers m and n. The product of numbers m and n. Now tell me, the number 5 is added to 3 times the product of numbers m and n. So 3 into m into n, 3 into m into n, that is 5 plus 3mn, or you can write 3mn plus 5, because commutative properties satisfy under addition of two numbers, that is a plus b which is equal to b plus a. Commutative property is satisfied. But when we are giving subtraction, when they are giving the subtraction, that 5 minus 3mn is not equal to 3mn minus 5. Please remember, because that commutative property is not satisfied. That commutative property is what? Not satisfied. Are you getting here? Yes. And then the product of numbers y and z. Seventh part of the question is product of numbers y and z, subtracted from 10. So the product of numbers y and z means what? Y into z. From which number? From 10. So 10 will come first. So 10 minus y into z. So we are going to find the product of two numbers y and z. After that you are subtracted that number from 10. So this is the answer. That is, answer is what? 10 minus yz. 10 minus yz. So if you are writing yz minus 10, then it is wrong, because 10 minus yz is not equal to yz minus 10, because that commutative property is what? Not satisfied under subtraction of two numbers. Are you getting there? Yes. And then next part, that is eighth part of this question is sum of numbers a and b subtracted from their product. A and b subtracted from their product. Sum of numbers a and b subtracted from their product. Now what are the sum of two numbers a and b means what? A plus b, and sum of the product of the numbers a and b means a into b. Now the sum of numbers a and b subtracted from their product. So that product will come first, because from their product, that is p into q minus of, the two numbers are what? A and b here. So a into b minus of a plus b, that is ab minus of a plus b. Please remember, if you are writing a plus b minus ab is not correct, because the commutative property is not satisfied under subtraction of two numbers. Are you clear, dear? Yes.